And I invite you to take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath with me. Exhaling and letting your body relax and let go. As we join together in knowing the truth that in this very moment, Spirit is, God is, the Tao lives and moves and has its presence everywhere, in all and through all, including me. That I am never alone. I am never alone. God is with me each and every moment. And as I relax the muscles in my body and let go, I begin to feel an inner peace. Fears subside. And peace begins to fill my heart as I relax and I let go. Knowing that God is working through me and through every part of my life. Sometimes it may not feel that way. I may wonder. And that's why we come together to remind each other of the truth. That's why Spirit inspires musicians like Karen Drucker who sing words of comfort and peace, reminding us of the truth that all is well. I am well, and all is well. I'd like to invite you to just take a moment to center yourself even more by just observing the flow of your breathing as it moves in and out of your nasal passages. Just feel the breath flowing in and flowing out. And when your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breath again, flowing in and flowing out. Just watch your breathing. Our breath flows in and out, just like the waves flowing in from the ocean into the shore. Imagine that peaceful surf that you see on the ocean. As the ocean flows into the shore, washes away the impurities on the shore, flows back into the ocean again. That infinite, seemingly infinite ocean with no boundaries, no borders, just a vast ocean. And the waves flowing into the shore, cleansing, cleaning, purifying the shore as it washes back into the ocean again. You remember the last time you listened to the wind on the water and the waves flowing up on the shore, back into the ocean. Very calming, very peaceful. In the Bible, though, there are words that refer to spirit, refer to God as water and as wind. Imagine that those waves flowing up onto the shore. I like the waves of spirit flowing into your mind and into your heart, washing away fears, purifying your mind, your heart, clearing away all sense of separation from your true spiritual essence. In this very moment, I am peaceful. I am safe. And all is well. In this very moment, I am peaceful. I am safe. And all is well. Let's take an idea like, I am peaceful. Or take an idea like, I am safe. Or all is well. And just hold that thought in your mind as you listen and wait. Wait upon the Spirit within you. Wait upon that Tao presence. The presence of God. To touch you. In the quiet now. Imagine yourself now surrounded and enfolded in light. The light representing the presence of God, the presence of Spirit, the presence of the Tao that is in all things, including you, surrounding and enfolding you. And that you are an expression of that presence of light. See yourself surrounded in light and expressing light, filling your whole being, radiant. You are the light of the world, as he said. Let your light shine. And that light is healing, is guidance, is divine order, and all good. And from that awareness, we see our friends and family as expressions of God's presence. We see them radiant with light. Looking beyond appearances and knowing the truth for each of them. You are light. And we include our whole planet and everyone on it, all the animals, the environment in this awareness of God's healing light, surrounding and folding all things, all people. And we're grateful for that. And so now we bring our awareness back to the place where we're sitting, feeling the chair beneath us, the floor underneath our feet, moving hands and fingers. And from this time in the stillness, we now move forward knowing that we are in tune with the presence and activity of Spirit, that we are well, that we are safe. And we give thanks for that. And so it is. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.